If you want to learn how to sign into Yahoo Mail quickly and without confusion, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full sign-in process step by step. So whether you're using a new device or just trying to get back into your inbox, you'll know exactly what to do. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. You can do this on a computer, laptop, tablet, or phone browser. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button and click it. This will take you to the Yahoo login screen where you can begin entering your account details. Now you'll see a field asking for your email address. Type in the email address that you use for your Yahoo Mail account. Make sure you enter it correctly, since even one small typo can stop you from signing in. If you have more than one email account, double check that you're using the right one. After entering your email address, click Next. Yahoo will then move you to the password step. This is where you'll need to type in the password connected to that email account. Enter it carefully and remember that passwords are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters must match exactly. Once your password is entered, click Sign In. If your email and password are correct, Yahoo Mail should log you into your inbox right away. From there, you'll be able to check your messages, send new emails, and manage your account as usual. If you run into any issues, the most common problems are usually a mistyped email, an incorrect password, or being signed out because of browser settings. In that case, take a moment to go back and recheck your information before trying again. You can also use Yahoo's account recovery options if you've forgotten your password, and that's it. You've now learned how to sign in to Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps. If this video was useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.